How long has it been since you last checked your phone, launched an app, or logged onto your computer? Online tools and services have become indispensable in our daily lives. Programmers who specialize in developing digital architecture are in high demand. This guide will help you navigate the world of online coding help. Coding refers to the creation and execution of executable programs that perform specific tasks for computers. Binary codes serve as instructions that convey specific tasks from computer to computer. Coding helps develop software, operating systems, websites, and applications of all sorts, making it an essential skill in today's digital age. Before starting your coding journey, consider why you want to learn this discipline. Understanding your desired programming languages, projects, and end goals will help you choose an initial learning path. Coding skills enhance teamwork, communication, and problem-solving abilities, making them valuable across various industries. Numerous resources can help beginners get started with coding. From online tech articles and podcasts to coder communities on social media platforms like YouTube, Stack Overflow, and GitHub, there are plenty of options to explore. These resources provide valuable insights and support for those new to coding. Online boot camps are one of the best ways to learn to code, especially in today's pandemic era. They offer quality content across different programming languages and technologies. Millions have advanced their coding knowledge through boot camps like Simplilearn, HackerRank, and Codecademy, earning certificates that give them an edge in job applications. YouTube is an excellent platform for learning coding and programming. It offers a vast array of videos that explain topics effectively, making it a popular choice among learners. With live classes and webinars, YouTube provides affordable and accessible education for all, helping beginners grasp complex coding concepts. Social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram have become valuable educational tools. Instructors and trainers use these platforms to offer programming help to their students. Simplilearn, for example, offers Telegram groups where beginners can start learning how to code, making social media a great resource for coding education. Real-time projects are one of the best ways to learn coding. These team learning experiences enhance teamwork and learning capabilities while boosting coding skills. Working on real-time projects provides in-depth subject knowledge and practical experience, making it easier to apply coding concepts in real-world scenarios. Coding challenges and events are designed to strengthen learners' coding abilities. These events allow learners to practice various programming languages and technologies, helping them develop their coding knowledge. Participating in coding challenges can be a great stepping stone for career advancement in the tech industry. Development tools are essential for learning to code and creating software. They provide greater insights into the software development process and strengthen one's grasp of coding practices and principles. Tools like GitHub and Stack Overflow are invaluable resources for sharing code and engaging in discussions with like-minded peers. Learning to code can be a rewarding experience that opens many doors in your professional life. Whether you pursue full-time coding or freelance work, coding skills are an excellent investment. Start your coding journey today and unlock new opportunities in the tech world.